Do you dream of earning money while you sleep? Passive income is the key. It's like having your money work for you, even while you're not working. One exciting avenue for passive income is Turo, a car-sharing platform. Think of it like Airbnb but for cars. With Turo, you can rent out your car to others and earn extra cash. It's a great way to put your car to work, even when you're not using it. In today's gig economy, people are always looking for ways to make extra money. Turo offers a flexible and potentially lucrative solution. Whether you own a sporty coupe or a reliable sedan, there's a market for it on Turo. Turo is part of a growing trend of sharing economies. People share resources like cars or homes to earn extra income. This shift towards a sharing economy opens up new opportunities for individuals to achieve financial freedom. It's no longer just about working a 9-to-5 job. You can leverage your assets to create passive income streams. Turo offers a compelling way to generate passive income. The concept is simple. List your car on the platform, set your rates, and watch the bookings roll in. Each time your car gets rented, you earn money without lifting a finger. Depending on the make and model of your car, you could earn a significant amount each month. Imagine this. Your car is rented out for 20 days in a month at an average of $50 per day. That's $1,000 in your pocket without accounting for Turo's fees. This income can supplement your primary salary, pay off bills, or even fund your investments. The potential to generate passive income with Turo is vast, particularly if you live in a high-demand area. While the prospect of passive income with Turo is enticing, it's essential to be aware of the potential challenges. Like any business venture, Turo comes with its own set of risks. One of the primary concerns is the potential for wear and tear on your vehicle. Increased usage means more mileage and a higher chance of minor damages. It's crucial to factor in maintenance costs, insurance premiums, and the possibility of repairs when calculating your potential earnings. Another aspect to consider is the seasonality of the car rental market. Demand fluctuates throughout the year and you might experience periods of low bookings. Thorough research and planning are essential before diving into Turo. Understanding your local market, setting competitive rates, and managing your listings effectively are crucial for success. Additionally, familiarize yourself with Turo's policies regarding insurance coverage, driver screening, and vehicle maintenance. Section 4. Time or money. Turo offers both. One of the most significant advantages of Turo is its flexibility. You can choose when and how often you want to rent out your car. If you only want to rent it out on weekends, you have that option. This flexibility makes Turo an attractive option for students, professionals, or anyone looking to make extra money on their own terms. Unlike traditional jobs that require fixed hours, Turo allows you to be your own boss. You set your schedule and manage your bookings. This level of autonomy is empowering and can lead to a better work-life balance. Moreover, Turo provides an excellent opportunity to learn about running a small business. From managing listings and bookings to handling customer inquiries, you gain valuable experience that can be applied to other ventures. Turo is more than just a platform for renting cars. It's a platform for personal and financial growth.